projects. In this video, we are going to explain about the project title PharmaSafe blockchain-based counterfeit detection in the pharmaceutical sector. Introduction. Counterfeit drugs are medications that are intentionally mislabeled or misrepresented. They often contain incorrect ingredients, improper dosages, or even dangerous substances. This poses a significant risk to public health as patients may not receive the proper treatment or may experience adverse effects. Furthermore, counterfeit drugs can lead to treatment failure, worsening of medical conditions, or even death. The widespread circulation of counterfeit drugs also results in substantial economic losses for pharmaceutical companies and healthcare systems. Additionally, it erodes trust in pharmaceutical supply chains as consumers may question the authenticity and safety of the medications they purchase. Traditional methods of combating counterfeit drugs, such as supply chain audits and regulatory interventions, have several limitations. Supply chain audits can be complex and expensive, requiring extensive documentation and oversight. Moreover, they are susceptible to manipulation, as dishonest actors may falsify records or engage in fraudulent activities to conceal counterfeit products. Regulatory interventions, such as inspections and seizures, are often reactive and may not prevent counterfeit drugs from entering the market. Furthermore, these methods do not provide real time tracking and authentication of pharmaceutical products, making it difficult to identify and intercept counterfeit medications before they reach consumers. PharmaSafe introduces a novel approach to combating counterfeit pharmaceuticals by leveraging blockchain technology. Blockchain is a decentralized and immutable ledger that records transactions in a secure and transparent manner. By utilizing blockchain, PharmaSafe aims to enhance the detection and prevention of counterfeit drugs by establishing a tamper-proof system for tracking and authenticating pharmaceutical products throughout the supply chain. Blockchain offers transparency and traceability throughout the supply chain, making it an ideal solution for combating counterfeit drugs. Each transaction recorded on the blockchain is immutable, meaning it cannot be altered or deleted once it is added to the ledger. This ensures the integrity of data and prevents tampering or manipulation by dishonest actors. Additionally, blockchain enables real time tracking and authentication of pharmaceutical products, allowing stakeholders to verify the authenticity and provenance of medications at any point in the supply chain. By leveraging blockchain technology, PharmaSafe aims to create a more secure and trustworthy pharmaceutical ecosystem, thereby safeguarding public health and restoring confidence in pharmaceutical supply chains. Objective. The PharmaSafe project recognizes the significant problem of counterfeit drugs in the pharmaceutical sector, which poses risk to public health and undermines trust in the industry. By focusing on innovative solutions, PharmaSafe aims to develop methods to identify and prevent the circulation of counterfeit medications. This involves implementing technologies and strategies to enhance the security and authenticity of pharmaceutical products. PharmaSafe utilizes blockchain technology to improve counterfeit detection mechanism. Blockchain's decentralized and immutable ledger ensures that once information is recorded, it cannot be altered or tampered with. By employing this technology, PharmaSafe establishes a transparent and secure system for tracking pharmaceutical products throughout the journey in the supply chain. This transparency helps to detect any discrepancies or irregularities, thereby enhancing the overall security of the pharmaceutical supply chain. One of the primary objectives of PharmaSafe is to establish transparency and traceability within the pharmaceutical supply chain. By recording every transaction and movement of pharmaceutical products on the blockchain, PharmaSafe creates an auditable trail that enables stakeholders to track the journey of medications from manufacturing to distribution. This transparency ensures that the authenticity and provenance of medications can be verified, reducing the likelihood of counterfeit drugs entering the market undetected. PharmaSafe employs smart contracts and cryptographic hashing algorithms to minimize the risk of counterfeit infiltration at every stage of the supply chain. Smart contracts streamline verification processes and enable shift responses to potential counterfeit threats. Cryptographic hashing algorithms ensure data integrity and security by encrypting information in a way that makes it virtually impossible for unauthorized parties to alter or access. By integrating these technologies, PharmaSafe safeguards public health and maintains the integrity of the pharmaceutical sector. Requirements Software requirements of the project are Python IDLE, Node.js, Visual Studio Community Version, Ganache, and MetaMask Chrome extension. Hardware requirements of the project are processor of Wi-Fi and above, RAM of 8 GB and above, ROM of 20 GB and above. Framework is Flask. Backend languages used in the project are Python, JavaScript, Solidity. Front-end languages used in the project are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap 4. Methodology. To implement this project, we have designed the following modules. The first module is Register. This module allows users to create accounts within the PharmaSafe system. Users can register as suppliers, manufacturers, wholesalers, distributors, or customers. During registration, users provide necessary information such as name, contact details, and authentication credentials. Suppliers are entities responsible for providing raw materials or components used in pharmaceutical production. In PharmaSafe, suppliers can register and log into the system to add information about the materials they supply. This includes details such as product specifications, batch numbers, and expiration dates. Manufacturers are responsible for producing pharmaceutical products. The manufacturer module allows registered users to log in and manage product information. Manufacturers can add new products to the system, update existing product details, and verify the authenticity of the manufactured goods. Wholesalers purchase pharmaceutical products in bulk from manufacturers or distributors and distribute them to retailers. In PharmaSafe, wholesalers can log into the system to access product information. They can verify the authenticity of products, they receive and manage their inventory. Distributor Distributors are intermediaries responsible for delivering pharmaceutical products to various locations, such as pharmacies or hospitals. The distributor module allows users to log in and check product information. They can verify the authenticity of products before distributing them to retailers or customers. Customers are end users who purchase pharmaceutical products for personal use. The customer module enables users to register and log into the system. Once logged in, customers can authenticate products using scan functionality and make purchases securely. Supplier login. This module provides suppliers with access to the PharmaSafe system. Suppliers can log in to manage product information, such as adding new materials or updating existing ones. Add product. This functionality allows suppliers to add new pharmaceutical products to the system. Suppliers provide details such as product name, description, batch number, and manufacturing date. Manufacturer login. Manufacturers log into the system to manage product information and verify the authenticity of their manufactured goods. They can also access reports and analytics related to their products. Check product and purchase. This feature enables wholesalers, distributors, and customers to verify the authenticity of pharmaceutical products. Users can scan product codes or enter batch numbers to access detailed information about the product's origin and authenticity. Once we are logged in as manufacturer, we can check the product and purchase. Wholesaler login. Once we are logged in as wholesaler, we can check the product. Distributor login. Once we are logged in as the distributor, we can check the product. Customer login. Once we are logged in as the customers, we can authenticate scan. Customers can authenticate pharmaceutical products using scan functionality. By scanning a product's barcode or entering its batch number, customers can verify its authenticity and ensure it is not counterfeit. Biomedicine. Customers can purchase pharmaceutical products securely through the PharmaSafe platform. After authenticating a product, customers can add it to their cart and proceed with the purchase using various payment methods. These modules collectively form the PharmaSafe system, providing a comprehensive solution for counterfeit detection and prevention in the pharmaceutical sector by leveraging blockchain technology. Each module plays a crucial role in ensuring transparency, traceability, and authenticity throughout the pharmaceutical supply chain. Blockchain integration. PharmaSafe leverages blockchain technology, which operates on decentralized ledgers spread across numerous nodes. This architecture ensures transparency and resilience to tracking pharmaceutical transactions. Since each node maintains a copy of the ledger, there's no central point of control susceptible to failure or manipulation. This decentralized approach enhances security and trustworthiness in recording and accessing transaction data within the pharmaceutical supply chain. Each transaction recorded on the blockchain is immutable, meaning it cannot be altered or deleted once added to the ledger. This feature ensures the integrity and reliability of the data, making it tamper proof and resistant to fraudulent activities. By preserving the historical record of transactions in a secure and immutable manner, PharmaSafe ensures that stakeholders can trust the accuracy and authenticity of the information stored on the blockchain. Blockchain technology enables real time tracking of pharmaceutical products throughout the supply chain. By leveraging blockchain's decentralized and transparent nature, stakeholders can monitor the movement and status of products in real time. This capability facilitates prompt detection of irregularities or discrepancies, allowing timely intervention to prevent counterfeit drugs from entering the market. Real time tracking enhances visibility and accountability across the supply chain, improving overall efficiency and security. PharmaSafe incorporates smart contracts into the blockchain network to streamline verification processes and enforce predefined rules. Smart contracts contain predefined conditions encoded in the code, facilitating the execution of agreements and verification processes. This reduces the necessity for manual intervention, minimizing human error in supply chain interactions. Through processes like product authentication and rule enforcement, smart contracts boost efficiency, reliability, and transparency within the pharmaceutical supply chain. Blockchain empowers consumers by providing transparent and verifiable information about purchased medications. Through blockchain enabled platforms, consumers can access detailed information about the origin, authenticity, and history of pharmaceutical sectors. This transparent access to information enables consumers to make informed decisions about the medications they purchase, fostering trust in the pharmaceutical ecosystem. By offering transparent and verifiable information, blockchain enhances consumer confidence in the authenticity and safety of pharmaceutical products, ultimately contributing to improved public health outcomes. Extension. In this project, we have used Ganache and MetaMask as an extension. Ganache serves as an intuitive interface for Ethereum blockchain activities. It offers a graphical display of crucial details such as accounts, transactions, and smart contracts. This user friendly interface simplifies the exploration and management of Ethereum blockchain functionalities for developers and users. Ganache provides insights into individual blocks within the Ethereum blockchain. It shares essential information like block numbers, timestamps, transaction contained within each block, and gas usage. This comprehensive data assists in performing in depth blockchain analysis, understanding the sequence of events, and assessing network performance. Furthermore, Ganache's functionality extends to facilitating data retrieval from stored blocks. Developers can access specific block information, enabling them to extract and analyze detailed data relevant to their applications or smart contracts. MetaMask. MetaMask functions as both an Ethereum wallet and a browser extension. It allows users to manage their cryptocurrencies, primarily Ether, ETH, and interact with decentralized applications, DApps, seamlessly. Users can store, send, and receive Ether while also accessing various Ethereum based applications directly through their web browser. MetaMask is utilized in the project for secure Ethereum transactions, ensuring transparent deduction of ETH and facilitating efficient payments within the pharmaceutical sector. Execution. To execute this project, first we need to open the code folder which contains the project source code files. This is the code folder. This is the contracts folder, which consists of Solidity code. It handles data structures, functions, and events with modifiers for validation. This is the static folder, which contains files related to CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. These files contribute to the visual and interactive aspect of the application. This is the templates folder. Within this folder, we will find all the HTML pages used throughout the project. It includes pages like index.html, home.html, and more, representing various sections of the website. This folder also contains Python code files that will be executed during the runtime of the application, supporting its functionality. This is app.py file. This .py file contains the information related to front-end logic. It includes code written in Python that handles server-side operations such as processing user requests, interacting with the database, and generating dynamic content to be rendered in the HTML templates. This is run.bat file to start the IPFS server. IPFS is a decentralized file storage system for secure and distributed data sharing. Blockchain is effective for recording transactional data, but for large file storage, it integrates with IPFS. Double click on it to start the IPFS server. So here we can see daemon is ready. To execute this project, we need to host the server. To host the server, open Ganache. So here we can see the server is hosted. Now minimize this. This is run.bat file. Instead of executing the project through command line interface, we have created Windows bat file to execute the project. Double click on it to start the application. The Flask framework will host the application locally at the default address, localhost, which is this, and port, which is this. Now copy this local link provided by the Flask framework. I'm copying the link and paste this copied link into any web browser. I usually prefer Google Chrome and hit enter. The homepage of the project is displayed in the browser. This is the front end built using Flask framework. So here we can see different links: supplier link, manufacturer link, wholesaler link, distributor link, and customer link. First click on supplier link and then click on supplier register link to add a new supplier. So here we need to enter all these details to add a new supplier. Username, password, phone number, email ID, address. After entering all these details, click on Add Supplier button to add a new supplier. So here we can see supplier sign up task completed and the details are stored in the blockchain. Now again click on supplier link and then click on supplier login to log in as a supplier. So here we need to enter the username and the password of the supplier which we have registered and then click on submit button. We have logged in successfully as a supplier Krishnamurthy. Now click on add product link to add the product details. So here we need to enter all these details: product ID, product name, product quantity, price, and here we need to upload the certificate. Click on choose file to upload the certificate. After entering all these details, click on submit button. So here we can see product details added successfully. Now click on supplier screen to go to the homepage of the supplier. The supplier will create the raw material. Now click on logout link. Now click on manufacturer link and then click on manufacturer register link to add a new manufacturer. So here we need to enter all these details to add a manufacturer. username, password, phone number, email ID, address. After entering all these details, click on Add Manufacturer button to add a manufacturer. So here we can see manufacturer sign up task completed and the details are stored in the blockchain. Now again click on manufacturer link and then click on manufacturer login to log in as the manufacturer. So here we need to enter the username and the password of the manufacturer which we have registered and then click on submit button. We have logged in successfully as the manufacturer Ramu, and here we have the option check product and purchase link. Click on it to check the product details and then purchase. So here we can see the product details, the product number, which is 65, product name, quantity of the product price, the certificate of the product, and here we have the option to purchase. Click here to purchase. So here we need to enter another product name, and then click on submit button. We can see details are saved to blockchain. Now click on manufacturer screen to go to the homepage of the manufacturer. The manufacturer will use the collected raw components to build new medications. Now click on logout link. Now click on wholesaler link and then click on wholesaler register to add a new wholesaler. So here we need to enter all these details to add a wholesaler. Username, password, phone number, email ID, address. After entering all these details, click on add wholesaler to add a new wholesaler. So here we can see wholesaler sign up task completed and the details are stored in the blockchain. Now again click on wholesaler link and then click on wholesaler login to log in as the wholesaler. So here we need to enter the username and the password of the wholesaler which we have registered and then click on submit button. We have logged in successfully as the wholesaler Ramesh. Here we can see check product link. Click on it to check the product details. So here we can see the product number, product name, quantity of the product price, manufacturer medicine name is Dolo 650, and here we have the option click here to submit purchase. So here we need to enter the quantity in which we want to buy the product. So the quantity I'm entering is 30. After entering the quantity, click on submit button. So here we can see details are saved to blockchain. Now click on wholesaler screen to go to the homepage of the wholesaler. Wholesaler receives the medicine from the manufacturer through transporter. Now click on logout link. Now click on distributor link and then click on distributor register link to add a new distributor. So here we need to enter the username, password, phone number, email ID, address. After entering all these details, click on add distributor button to add a new distributor. So here we can see distributor sign up task completed and the details are stored in the blockchain. Now again click on distributor link and then click on distributor login to log in as a distributor. So here we need to enter the username and the password of the distributor which we have registered and then click on submit button. We have logged in successfully as a distributor Geeta, and here we can see we have the option check product. Click on check product link to view the product details. So here we can see the complete information of the product name, product number, product price, quantity of the product. And here we can see the wholesaler purchased quantity is 30. And here we have the option to sell the product. Click here to sell. So here we need to enter the product quantity which we want to sell. The quantity which I want to sell is 10. After entering the product quantity, click on submit button. So here we can see that the image is downloaded. Now click on customer screen link to go to the homepage of the customer. So the distributor receives the medicine from the wholesaler through transporter. Now click on authenticate scan. So here we need to upload the barcode. Click on choose file. Select the barcode and then click on submit button. So here we can see the product number, product name, quantity of the product price, and comments by distributor. And here we have the certificate for the quality of the product. Now click on customer screen to go to the homepage of the customer and then click on buy medicines link to buy the medicines. So here we can see the product name which is Crocin, and here we have the quantity, product price, comments by distributor. Here we have the option to buy. Click here to buy. So here we need to enter the quantity in which we want to buy the product. So the quantity which I want to buy is 15. After entering the quantity, click on submit button. So here we can see purchase completed successfully. Now click on customer screen to go to the homepage of the customer. Customer receives the medicine from the distributor through transporter. In this way, customers can authenticate pharmaceutical products using scan functionality. By scanning a product's barcode or entering its batch number, customers can verify its authenticity and ensure it is not counterfeit. Customers can purchase pharmaceutical products securely through the PharmaSafe platform. After authenticating a product, customers can add it to their cart and proceed with the purchase using various payment methods. Now click on logout link. So all the details will be stored in Ganache. Now open Ganache. So here we can see all the details are stored in Ganache in the form of blocks. Now click on block 65. So here we can see the block hash. And here we have the transaction hash. And here we have the from address to contract address. And here we can see the amount of gas utilized. Click on transaction hash. So here we can see the transaction data as well as the amount of gas consumed, gas price, and gas limit. The data will be stored permanently in these blocks and we can retrieve the data whenever we want. Now minimize this. For checking the fluctuations of the ETH price with each transaction, we need to open MetaMask. So here we need to enter the password. So here we can see the reduction of ETH price with each transaction. So here we can see I have a balance of 99.98 ETH in my MetaMask wallet, which represents the deducted amount from recent transactions. In the context of blockchain, transactions refer to actions or operations that are recorded on the blockchain ledger. The conclusion of the project is PharmaSafe exemplifies how blockchain technology can effectively combat counterfeit drugs within the pharmaceutical sector. By leveraging blockchain's decentralized and immutable nature, PharmaSafe ensures the integrity of pharmaceutical transactions, thereby mitigating the risk associated with counterfeit medications. This showcases blockchain's transformative potential in addressing critical challenges within the pharmaceutical industry and enhancing security and trust in pharmaceutical supply chains. The implementation of PharmaSafe brings about a significant improvement in transparency and traceability within the pharmaceutical supply chain. Through blockchain technology, stakeholders gain real time visibility into the movement of medications, enabling them to track each step of supply chain accurately. This increased transparency reduces the likelihood of counterfeit drugs entering the market undetected and fosters accountability among all parties involved in the pharmaceutical ecosystem. PharmaSafe empowers consumers by providing them with transparent and verifiable information about purchased medications through blockchain enabled platforms. By accessing detailed information about the authenticity and provenance of medications, consumers can make informed decisions about their health and well being. This empowerment strengthens the trust between consumers and pharmaceutical products, ultimately contributing to improved public health outcomes and patient safety. In conclusion, PharmaSafe represents a significant milestone in leveraging blockchain technology to safeguard public health and uphold the integrity of the pharmaceutical supply chain. By effectively addressing the threat of counterfeit drugs and restoring trust in medications, PharmaSafe sets a precedent for future blockchain based solutions within the pharmaceutical industry. This milestone underscores the transformative potential of blockchain technology in addressing complex challenges and creating positive impacts on global healthcare system.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.